The eye. It allows us to perceive people, objects, and colors. It is able to absorb and process more than 10 million information per second, and thanks to this, we can determine whether we are facing a danger, a wonder of the world, or the person we love. This information can be distorted. Feelings can influence our choices. Relentless external inputs can blur our judgment. And the human eye itself has limits. Thanks to A3iu, we can go beyond our limits. A3iu, as well as the human brain, is able to simultaneously process and match the information of tens, hundreds, thousands of eyes. Any existing sensors are geo-referenced in the system. And through a one-to-one 3D reconstruction, the user can interact with A3iu by creating infinite virtual control areas on the fly, without the help of highly specialized personnel. Available systems from the competition have a fundamental flaw. They fail to perform multiscopy. That is, while detecting the same object simultaneously with two or more sensors, they signal the presence of two or more elements. This generates false alarms and the activation of expensive intervention procedures. In other words, waste and inefficiencies. The artificial intelligence of A3iu instead, through the 3D reality, processes and analyzes information from each sensor, knowing that they are monitoring the same area. It understands that it is a single object, identifies it, and shows it as an avatar to protect privacy, and manages to trace it and find it using the data of all sensors available on the site. Furthermore, A3iu can recognize and read plates, identification codes, and colors, to which it can assign specific authorizations. Detects and warns if an object is abandoned or if a vehicle or person cannot stop in a specific area. It can provide for unauthorized approach by defining virtual mandatory routes. Monitor access and automations. Ultimately, the real strength of A3iu is that it can replace the human being in data analysis and in the automatic application of intervention policies with utmost accuracy. You can forget about the wall of monitors and the waste of human and financial resources to control them. It has no scalability limits and can easily integrate any new sensor in the future and even third-party solutions. The future of monitoring systems has arrived and is ready to simplify your life, and while making it much safer.